Okay, we're going to be installing this Ring video doorbell to replace this doorbell here. And I love these doorbells because they're very useful. They have a two-way communication. So when somebody rings your doorbell, it sends a message right to your phone right away, and you can have a two-way communication. There's motion detection that you can set up, and they're either rechargeable if you don't have if your doorbell isn't hardwired, you don't have a doorbell, then you can use the rechargeable battery, and it's Wi-Fi compatible, so you can monitor your home from anywhere in the world, really, any place. And I'm going to show you here. I have one at I monitor my aged dad's house, so I can keep an eye on him. And there's, see, I just pulled up his Ring doorbell. Real cool stuff. Real good way to keep an eye on things while you're away. We're gonna unbox this thing. And there it is. It's real simple to set up, and we'll get it installed here. Alright, it's in there. Your second.
What do you want?
I want better service. Well, we're done.
What are they doing?
There it is.
You did it.
You did it.